Measuring sash windows for Magnaglaze is easy. The first thing to do is recognize the staff bead. The staff bead is the round-faced batten that runs all the way around the box frame and holds the two sliding sections in place. The Magnaglaze panels will be attached to the box frame with flexible magnetic tape applied outside and beyond the staff bead. Before you begin measuring, decide the layout. If you don't need to open the window, a single panel can be applied up to a maximum size of 2 square meters. Single panels will use 20 mm wide magnetic tape on all 4 sides. 2 panels will allow you to open the window. However, a center meeting rail has to be added to the top bar of the lower sliding sash to allow a perimeter seal to be created on all 4 sides of each panel. 20 mm magnetic tape will be used on the 3 sides that attach to the box frame, and 12.5 mm tape will be applied to the side that attaches to the center meeting rail. To measure for one panel, take your metric tape measure and hold it at the 20 mm mark on the scale. Overlap the staff bead by that amount and extend the tape measure until it overlaps the staff bead on the opposite side by another 20 mm. Read off this measurement, rounding up or down to the nearest 5 mm, to get the width of your Magnaglaze panel. Repeat the process to get the height. To measure the height for 2 panels, mark a midpoint on the bar of the lower sliding sash. Overlap the staff bead at the top by 20 mm and measure down to the midpoint on the bar. This will give you the height of the top panel. Overlap the staff bead at the bottom by 20 mm and measure up to the midpoint on the bar. This will give you the height of the bottom panel. To measure the width for the 2 panels, overlap as before by 20 mm on both sides. Once you have the measurements for all the panels you require, input them at magnaglaze.co.uk to create your quote and place your order.